Om Shanti. Welcome to the Spiritual Science. This is the exhibition conducted by Spark throughout India in various places of educational institutions to enrich the knowledge of the students, even to the public. And this exhibition, it's a trial to club the spirituality and science to establish a value-based society. And in this fast lifestyle, we totally forgot the role of spirituality in bringing peace to the self. And nowadays, the moral stories are not taught in the schools and colleges. And so, through science and technology, here we try to explain the role or the importance of spirituality in one's life. And the spiritual science exhibition, it is based on two things: the principles of natural science and the philosophy of spiritual knowledge. And this exhibition set is based on electronic modules of science and technology for interaction and spiritual science pictures for better understanding of inner journey of individual life. And we selected some 10 principles of natural science like uniqueness, energy, power, memory, nature, interaction, vibration, balance, change, and communication. These 10 principles of natural science we can compare with the philosophy of spiritual knowledge. But this principles of natural science, it is material thing, material based. The same 10 principles based on spirituality means cannot seen through the eyes, but we can experience. But these 10 principles of science can be proved only through experiment. So this is a small trial to club all these 10 principles common to both science and spirituality. If we take these same 10 principles in the aspect of spirituality, then it is unique idea of self, that is uniqueness, means about the self, soul. And the next, energy of thoughts and feelings, mind, and the power of knowledge, intellect. Then memory of past and belief system, we can say subconscious mind. And then nature of human and nature of being. Human nature, natural nature. And next thing, change of behavioral, that means character of the self, personality. And then interaction of mind with matter, means soul and body, through vibration of thoughts and values. And the next thing is balance of mind and intellect. It is based on the law of karma. And the next thing is communication, the foundation for transformation. So these are all 7 brief suitcases. Means we are trying to explain the science and spirituality through 7 science and technology based modules, which includes mainly sensors to explain the concept. And some 10 pictures related with these modules can be explained. And all these modules, it is mainly for interaction with the audience. जो भी एग्जीबिशन देखने के लिए आते हैं उनके साथ हम अच्छी तरफ से इंटरेक्ट करके हमारी स्पिरिचुअलिटी और द रोल ऑफ मेडिटेशन को हम साइंस की सपोर्ट से एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. और अभी की ज़माने में स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ही इंटेलिजेंट हैं, लोगों को कुछ साइंटिफिक बैकग्राउंड चाहिए. हम सटल बात को सूक्ष्म रूप से समझाना थोड़ा मुश्किल है. इसके लिए हम लोग ये साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी माध्यम से फॉर एग्जांपल 10 ब्रीफ केसेस हम लोग सेटिंग किया है. इट इंक्लूड्स मेनली ऑल काइंड ऑफ सेंसर्स टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट द सेंस ऑर्गन्स. हमारे शरीर में क्या है, हम क्या हैं, इसके बीच में क्या हो रहा है. ओके, मेनली साइंस एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी. इसके बारे में हम ये कॉन्सेप्ट्स 10 प्रिंसिपल्स सपोर्ट लेके समझा सकते हैं. एंड इट इज़ मोस्टली डिमांडेड एग्जीबिशन. सारे भारत में एग्जीबिशन चल रहा है अच्छी तरफ से, और स्टूडेंट्स भी बहुत कोशिश करते हैं इसको समझने के लिए, और दूसरों को समझाते भी हैं, और स्पिरिचुअलिटी का थोड़ा टच भी उनको मिलता है इस एग्जीबिशन थ्रू. ओके, एंड आप लोग भी इस एग्जीबिशन को कहाँ भी चाहिए वहाँ अरेंज करके और ये मेडिटेशन और स्पिरिचुअलिटी नॉलेज आप दे सकते हो. किसी को भी एजुकेटर्स हैं तो बहुत अच्छी तरफ से समझ लेते हैं, और छोटे बच्चों के लिए भी एग्जीबिशन बहुत ठीक रीति से हम कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं. और अभी के ज़माने में इट्स वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट द रोल ऑफ मेडिटेशन. एंड इस लॉकडाउन में लोग मेंटली बहुत ही सफ़र हो रहे हैं, और ये मेडिटेशन एग्जीबिशन कंडक्ट करके मेडिटेशन सिखा के हम उसको शांति दे सकते हैं. ओम शांति. Om Shanti. Again we are coming to the next exhibition, Health, Wealth and Happiness, a virtual journey of life. This exhibition can be conducted in public and in school educational institutions, means schools and colleges, and all kind of professionals. To anybody we can conduct this exhibition and pass the message of health, wealth and happiness. This health, wealth and happiness are 3 dimensions of life. Life journey based on 3 faculties of the soul, the self, means mind, intellect and the recordings, memory. These are all the subtle powers of the self. And if we see the body, human body, it is made up of 5 elements and 7 senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, sound, balance and feeling of internal pain. All human moral, social, spiritual values comes under one umbrella. We can say it is a spectrum of 7 innate nature of the soul. Yeah, the self, I am, having all these 7 spiritual values like 7 senses of the body. Senses can be compared with 7 innate nature of the self shown in pictures. All these 7 senses will respond, react based on the experience of the values. For example, feeling of love, it's related with our mind, which makes difference in heartbeat and blood circulation. Like the peaceful mind makes the function of digestion and its related system in normal. Knowledge and happiness makes function of brain and lungs, along with its related system of nerves and glands, that means hormones, in unique way. All sense organs act upon the decision taken by intellect, and all involuntary system of elimination process through kidney, skin, etc. works based on the sanskaras, that means the memory, the belief system. And this fundamental principles of health, if we take the first aspect in the exhibition, health, it's to keep the balance of 5 elements, that is earth, related with our food, water and fire, air, space. Space main related with the action or the rest or sleep, what we are doing every day night, it is related with space, the 5th element of the nature. And this physical health, if we see, it is based on balanced food, water and environment according to time and feedback of the body. The same way, mental health is based on lifestyle, attitude of action, sleep and karmic account of the past. So only, if the body get diseased, nature cures the body. we are taking tablets and medicines to make the body to cure by itself through the immune system. In the same way, God heals the mind, not the body. Again, the mind is the main reason for the psychomatic diseases of the body. That's why we are calling psychomatic diseases related with psyche. So, if God heals the mind, the body get automatically cured. Suppose, if the disease persists, only time can restore the health. So, we have to wait. And according to the time, the disease automatically get cured in some cases. So, nature cures the body, God heals the mind, time restores the health. The same way, related with wealth, the values, moral values, human values, these are all the real wealth for a human, for the successful life of the human being. The same way, if he restores the health and wealth, automatically we feel happy in our life. So, doing service to the humankind gives unlimited happiness, the real happiness to the self. So, this is the essence of the exhibition. And if we make understand these concepts to the people, then they will get health, wealth, happiness in their life. So, this is the purpose of this exhibition, to pass the message to all. Thank you.